been a few years since we last looked at a laser level from Cigman and quite a lot has changed. Cigman have upgraded their kit and I've upgraded my approach to getting things straight on site and at home. Because these days when I'm working out the maths for picture spacing, I've got ChatGPT as a brilliant little companion. And once the numbers are sorted, the new Cigman CM-S04 handles the levels with far more precision than anything we saw from them last time. It's a proper tag team. The AI does the calculating, the laser does the lining up, and I get all the credit. But make no mistake, this isn't just a hang a few frames laser. This version is built for real site work. Suspended lighting, long straight runs, the sort of installation where accuracy actually matters and shortcuts don't cut it. So we've taken the CM-S04 onto a suspended lighting install to see just how much Cigman have stepped things up since our last review. The first thing we noticed with this new version is that it now features 4 lasers by the usual logic of tool development that must make it better. 4 being, of course, one more than 3. What is more interesting is the layout. On the x-axis or horizontal, you get 2 360-degree laser lines spaced around 150mm apart. We're still exploring the practical advantages of this arrangement, whether it's improved reference points or simply added flexibility when setting out. If you've already used a dual laser configuration on site and discovered the real benefit, do share your experience in the comments. We'd be very interested to hear how others are applying it in practice. Perhaps the biggest change with this version is the way the device is controlled. You don't need all of the laser axes active all the time, and switching off the ones you're not using helps avoid distracting others on site or inadvertently suggesting from across the room that their work might not be quite level. You can control everything from the new colour LCD screen on the side or via the included remote control. However, we think the most practical option is the Bluetooth connected app. After all, you're far more likely to misplace the remote than your phone. Remote control becomes particularly useful when the device is mounted at height, as we've done here on this suspended lighting installation. We're using the magnetic mounting bracket, which offers plenty of adjustment to get the setup just right. And if you're not fixing to a metal surface, the kit includes a metal plate with keyhole fixings ideal for timber, or you can always use the well-known tip of employing a wood butcher's saw. Being able to switch the lasers off remotely is also helpful for long-running installs, helping preserve battery life. You're looking at around 7 hours depending on the operating mode. 2 batteries are supplied and they can be charged directly via USB-C or while they're in the device, which itself can be powered from USB-C if the job looks like it might take a while, possibly decades. The laser output can be set to 4 different brightness levels, which is useful both in high daylight conditions and when you want to squeeze a bit more time out of the battery. You can extend the operating range further by using pulse mode together with the Cigman laser receiver. That's an add-on accessory and not included in the kit. The unit is self-leveling up to 4 degrees and it will flash to let you know when you've gone beyond that limit. There's also the option to switch off self-leveling entirely if you need to follow a specific angle. In that mode, the laser line flashes intermittently as a reminder that you're no longer level. Very useful if you've forgotten what you were doing halfway through the job. The whole kit comes in a robust carry case along with a few extra accessories, including this adjustable mini podium for quick setups. You can mount the level directly onto tripods using the 1/4-inch thread on the base or the 1/2-inch adapter included in the box. And finally, there's also a safety bungee, ideal if you have a habit of dropping things from height or if you just prefer your tools not to make unexpected trips to the floor. The unit is sealed to IP54, making it well suited to dusty sites and outdoor use. Always reassuring when the weather or the environment isn't quite cooperating. All in all, it's a very capable piece of kit and competitively priced for the feature set. I'll leave a link in the description so you can check whether it fits your budget, and depending on the time of year you may also find a special offer waiting for you. I think this one will be finding its way into my van. The only question now is what to do with the old version, although I might have a solution for that. Perhaps it's time to suggest to Gary that he finally upgrades from his water level and chalk line. Drop your thoughts in the comments, whether you've used this model, got tips for getting the best out of it, or just want to share how you're setting out your own installs. We always learn a lot from the eFix community, so your experiences really do help everyone out.